Hello everyone, welcome back. This video you will learn Samsung auto call feature. You can easily turn on or off your phone. So let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone, then open the default phone dialer app. After this app is open, look at the top right corner, find the three dots more symbol. Click on it, then see the settings option, tap to open them. Once you are in the call settings page, scroll down slowly. Here you can find the answering and ending calls option. Simply tap on it to open them. After this app is open, scroll down again. This time you can find answer automatically option. Simply tap on it. Right now this option is turned off by default my phone. To turn it on, simply tap on the toggle switch and automatically turn it on. After it enable, you can see various options such as after 2 seconds, after 5 seconds, after 10 seconds or custom choice. Custom time. Simply choose the option if you like. For example, I am select after 10 seconds. This means automatically answer the call in 10 seconds. However, keep in mind if you don't find this answer automatically option, this means if your phone is not supported this option. This time you can make sure your phone is up to date. To check it, go to settings, scroll all the way to bottom, tap on software update. After that, click on check for update and wait to complete the checking. If you see any update button available here, this means your phone update available. So follow the on-screen instruction and up to date the phone. However, keep in mind my phone is already up to date. That's it guys, you are done. But if you decide any time to turn off the auto call answer your phone, don't worry. You can simply go back to this auto answer page. After that, tap on the toggle switch and automatically turn them off. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video.